we're going to do an experiment with different densities of water. So we're going to make water more dense by adding sugar. So over here we have some materials. I've got some water, it's pretty warm water from the tap. I've got some jars, and then I have sugar with some food coloring, some separate spoons, and some measuring spoons. So in this cup I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. And this one, you can see I've got more. This is 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then the most is 8 tablespoons of sugar. So our first part of the experiment is to mix up the different densities of liquids. So we're gonna take the warm water, and I'm gonna take 8 ounces into each cup. And then I'm gonna mix the sugar into each and add the food coloring. You notice that I have different spoons for each color so I don't contaminate the density of each one. So let's take a minute. Let's see if we got... levels are about the same. Okay, let's start with this one. I'm going to put in some yellow food coloring, a couple of drops, and then I'm going to take my 1 tablespoon of sugar and take my spoon, and I'm going to stir it until it's all dissolved. That means there's no sugar left. You can look at it to begin with. It's kind of cloudy. There's sugar down at the bottom, but as I stir it, the sugar dissolves. So I shouldn't see any sugar at the bottom once we're done. This will take just another second or so. This is the tricky part. You need to slowly and carefully add the colored liquid from most dense liquid first to the least dense liquid on the top. As you're adding your liquid, it needs to run down the side of the container. Perseverance. Don't give